Hey everyone, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious ceviche de camaron. So for this recipe, I'm gonna be using 1 pound of shrimp, and I'm gonna start off by peeling the skin off and cleaning them. Now that the shrimp is clean, I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces. We're gonna use the juice of 9 limes to cook the shrimp in. Pour in the lime juice. And we're gonna let it sit for 3 minutes. I'm gonna use half of a red onion. After 3 minutes, we add the diced onion. We mix it in because we want the onion to cook along with the shrimp. We're also gonna add salt and pepper to taste. We mix it very well and let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm also gonna be using 1 cucumber. I'm gonna cut it and get rid of the seeds. 1 Roma tomato, 2 chiles serranos, some cilantro. It's been 15 minutes and the shrimp is now ready. As you can see, it turned pink, which means it's now cooked. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Cucumber, tomato, cilantro, and serranos. We're also gonna be adding a little bit of Maggi seasoning juice. And now we mix it all together. Once everything is mixed, we're gonna be adding a little bit of Clamato juice and more salt. Keep in mind that salt is to taste. And we mix it all again. Now the last part is the avocado. We gently mix it up so that the avocado doesn't get smashed. And there you have it. It's all done. Delicious ceviche de camaron. Very easy to make. So good. With a michelada. Perfect. Okay guys, this is my favorite part. Time to try. With some tostadas, and we cannot go wrong with salsa al baleado, my favorite. It's really spicy, but if you know me, you know I love spicy stuff. Ahora sí. Oh. No puedo. Cheers. Super fresh, delicious, full of flavor. Definitely need to try it. My husband claims to be allergic to shrimp. I don't think so, but he doesn't really like shrimp, so his loss. Because this is bomb. Alright guys, that's it for this one. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!